At the house of Some, a member of ABSDF in Mae Sao, Modi Zong conducted a lecture on amount of gunpowder to be used depending on the structure of the building and related lessons to that person. Next, an ABSDF member card named with Nanda was made for that man and let him attend the bomb explosion course at KNU headquarters. The security force had arrested him. The second step was that NGD Chairman Dr. Tet Lueng compiled a paper on Myanmar political evaluation and strategy in July 2005. The theme is to form the union government and to attack the present government in political and military aspects by forming union army comprising internal armed groups. This paper was sent to the other country by Mamangji. When it was received by Pite Nyongwe of FTUB, an emergency meeting was held attended by members of NLD-LA, KNU, FDB, DAB, and political representatives in abroad. At the meeting, Secretary of DAB, Dr. John Nyok, recommended that Dr. Tet Lueng was chairman of DAB and he himself was in the other country due to the assigned duty of Dr. Tet Lueng. It was approved that KNU will take the responsibility of forming the Union Army, but founding of Union government was not decided. Although external organizations coordinated in Mae Sao, they did not get consensus for a long time. When Dr. Tet Lueng knew this, he urged Pite Nyongwe and KNU to form Union Army if setting up of Union government was impossible. Concerning this, Pite Nyongwe replied that he was trying to form both. The third attempt is investigating states' top secrets and sending them to Modi Zong, Pite Nyongwe, and other foreign embassies through NEU in Japan and AME in America. The fourth attempt was that NEU and Dr. AME suggested to establish surveillance network in Myanmar to know the government's activities in advance and prevent all groups who are striving for achieving democracy in Myanmar. Likewise, NEU gave advice on getting assistance of the government of neighboring country for the opening of the training. The charges will be provided by Dr. AME and NEU, and trainees will be organized from the country. The security force has revealed the surveillance network they are running. The last attempt was a bomb blasting plan drawn by Modi Zong and NEU, alias Mau, to be carried out in June 2008 in Naypyidaw, and it was closely supervised by Modi Zong and Somin Pakata, based in Mae Sao. Starting from early July 2008 to before the retaining of NGD members, NEU from Japan made phone contact to the members twice or thrice a week. Carrying cash, NEU will come to Mae Sao in September 2008, and together with Modi Zong and Somin Pa, ABSDF, they will systematically implement measures for destroying dams, offices, and government buildings by recruiting new members, opening training courses, hiring experts for conducting trainings, appointing their best men in Naypyidaw, and collecting data. Besides, they will organize illegal workers in Mae Sao and conduct trainings on bomb explosion, using small arms and organizational tasks. Nyotan Cho alias Modi Zong, who made the project to explode Naypyidaw, is the chairman of ABSDF and now living in the United States. He used to give advices to the external opposition groups. He came Mae Sao and planned to send the destructionists into the country and making the people to get suffered. He's the one who is constantly making the destructive acts. Due to his acts, he was sentenced to 25 years imprisonment by the government. After coordinating with political forces from abroad, Dr. Tet Lueng and the secretary from NGD, New Generation for Democracy, organized the members of Tuesday Prayers campaign in order to create political movement in the country. NGD members also tried to approach 88 Generations group via those members of Tuesday Prayer campaign and also participated in fish releasing events, anniversary of 88 unrest and in the protest. Moreover, they also approached Pidu Hluttaw representatives and urged them to sign a letter for holding Hluttaw and distributed the letter. They next organized a 2007 Pakata group comprising with Situ Mao, James Heng and Ding Lin to participate in September Sangha protest. NGD Group received cash assistance provided by external anti-government organizations to be able to make the unrest and violence in the country. It was investigated that Mamang Ji, Vice Chairman of NGD, has received 360,000 bets and 670,000 checks from KNU, as well as the Secretary of NGD has accepted 1.3 million checks from Neu in Japan and 500,000 checks from Dr. Ame in the US. With the cash assistance provided by external anti-government groups and their trust fund, NGD has spent 1.8 million checks to support for expelled NLD, 100,000 checks for NGD members to attend international training, 100,000 checks for NLD members to be transported into neighboring country, and 500,000 checks for the tasks of bomb detonation tasks in Naypyidaw, altogether 2.5 million checks. It was investigated that NGD members have carried out the following activities comprising with some embassies. A. At the end of the Gem Festival in April 2005, Jojo and Ang Tu Nying sent the message relating to the state security affairs to one of the embassies of Western nation in Bangkok, Thailand. B. NGD Secretary also handed over those documents relating to the state security affairs to the economic attaché of one of the neighboring countries in November 2006, who in turn awarded $15,000 worth gems and jewelries. For enabling to make bomb explosion in Naypyidaw and other big cities, 54 detonators and gunpowder cables, related accessories and guidebooks for detonation lessons transported to Yangon in advance were seized by members of security forces from NGD member Chong Zhenmei Elias Somo in early September. Besides, 2 satellite phones, 2 sets of Icon, 2 GSM phones, and cash for bomb explosion process were seized. Thus far, we can stop the dangerous course to the brink of losing lives and properties. Furthermore, Gonge Elias Turnau of NGD, who is activating Sangha's protest, was arrested on 3rd floor of Yusana Plaza in Mingla Township on 1st September. He was Shin Sandima Elias Apule of Basundang and also a member in 17 leading singers of Sangha Alliance and an active protester of 2007 September protest. After that uprising, he evaded in the native Sizongong village in Mandalay Division and met with Upinazota Elias Nazo of Mekin Monastery, who acted as chairman of Sangha Alliance from abroad. With the support of Upinazota, he changed to a civilian to carry on the Sangha protest. He attended opposition courses in abroad and accepted 1 million checks and 2.5 million checks in July and August from Upinazota for the use in Sangha protest. He organized the Sanghas from Mandalay, Bakoku, and Jawajao for 2008 September Sangha uprising. He led his juniors to organize Sanghas in Yangon, Panlin, Pateng, and Monamyai. He went to Mandalay on 3rd May, met their hardcore Sanghas, and urged them to carry out political activities. He went to Mandalay again on 13 August and formed a 7-member All-Burma Democratic Sangha Samegi on 6th August 2008. They also issued Declaration Number 1 2008 to form All-Burma Democratic Sangha Samegi on 16 August 2008. They next issued Declaration Number 2 2008 on 1st September 2008, asking for releasing arrested Sanghas on the last date of 26th September. It is learned that they have agreed to start Sangha movement on 5th September with the participation of organized members if they don't get the facts what they asked for. According to the information and investigation, the security forces, with the help of the public, were able to stop their attempts and their plans were in vain. So, all the people are requested to help and participate for peace and stability of the nation. Furthermore, the external distractionists are connecting with internal anti-government groups and formed ABDA, All-Burma Democratic Alliance, Justice, and All-Burma Democratic Sangha Samegi.